In a day and age where we have to limit our screen time to our children, camping has never been more important than it is right now. Hi guys, I'm Odie with Salem, and today we're going to go over the 2021 26Dbud. Let's get started. So as part of the best-in-class feature, this comes equipped with a power tongue jack. It's rated at 3,500 pounds. It is power up and power down. Also comes with a light and 7-way plug with a custom holder. Now to bring you to our storage, the 26Dbud is equipped with a full pass-through storage compartment that is all finished out, and it has a light inside. It's also accessible from under the bed on the inside of the coach. So another separator of our product is going to be our entry step. Now this year we're using MORryde for our entry step, and the biggest benefit here is that the top step is going to be wider in width than what it was last year. It's also going to have a very easy, accessible leg system here. You're going to hit one latch here, it can come in, one latch there, and it's very easy to do. There's no additional pins to pull. There's no additional mess to actually have to deal with. Pull it out like that. Simple as that. You're gonna put it back down and you're gonna step on it. And it's very secure and durable. Also, when you're storing it, you're gonna put it away and it's very secure, it's clean, it's out of the way. Now the biggest benefit this year is that there are 2 pins on the inside of the door frame here, okay? You pull those 2 pins, the step can now be easily removed in a matter of seconds. That way, if you're ever in a situation where there's something obstructing your area where the step would go, you can just take it out and not have to worry about it. 26Dbud will also have a outside kitchen featuring the refrigerator. You're gonna have a griddle, and as an optional feature, you'll have an outside shower with a spray away hose. So one of our biggest separators in Salem is that we have the accessibility. Now what the accessibility is, it's gonna be derived of several panels under the coach. All you gotta do is remove 6 screws, you drop it out, you do what you have to do, and then you put it back. Whereas other brands are gonna have one solid piece. In order to fix that, you have to go through, you have to cut it, and then fix it with duct tape, okay? So this will streamline the process and protect your future investment for years to come. So one of the greatest features on a 26Dbud is the fact that it's got 2 pantries and 2 bunks. Number 1 pantry, right here, right by the entry door, so you can place dirty boots, jackets, whatever you want right there. That way you're not dragging stuff in the camper. It's very easy, it's right at the door. You've got 4 shelves, and it has its own separate light. Not to mention, its own door. And then right before the bathroom, you're gonna have the second pantry, okay? This is impressive because the second pantry is actually going to be even deeper than the first one. So when you look at this, you're gonna see how deep the shelves are. I mean, they can fit multiple cereal boxes. I mean, you can fit extra plates. You can fit anything you really can think of. I mean, it's got the storage for it. So again, double pantry is the separator on this model by far. Moving on to the bunk bed of this model, there are double bunks. They are going to be the Teddy Bear Bunk Series mattresses. You're also going to have USB ports on the top and the bottom. You also have a ladder. Last thing I want to mention is the fact that this bottom bunk will fold up. So again, when it comes to versatility, not only do you now have more storage, but you also have the capability to put a bicycle in there or anything else that you may need a little bit more height that you can't find anywhere else in the coach. When it comes to versatility, the Versa Lounge is that at its finest. Not only do we give you a traditional sofa and dinette look, but it's also going to be an additional chase and an entire full-length bed. Not to mention the fact that we're going to have storage below. You're going to get bins that are going to be 20.3 cubic feet of storage inside every single unit that's got this with the slide out. These are also dry food safe, so if you want to put Oreos, cereal, cookies, whatever else in here, you can. There's going to be 3 under this side, and there's going to be 1 under the dinette on that side, and then 1 below, for a total of 5 bins. On all Salems are also going to come equipped with the Everchill fridge. It's going to be 11 cubic feet of storage, and it's 100% 12 volt. It's very efficient, and this can get within full temperature within an hour. Now, moving in the bedroom of a 26Dbud, there's a lot to point out, but first we'll start with the storage. You're going to have overhead compartments. You're also going to have 2 side storages. Plus, you're going to have 2 cubby hole storage that will have 110 outlets on the inside for a sleep apnea machine. And then you've also got 2 USB outlets on both sides. Not to mention a full walk-in almost closet in the bedroom here. But wait, there's more. When you lift up the bed, not only do you have access to your outside full pass-through compartment we talked about, but you're also going to have 4 bins of more stow-and-go type of storage. So if you want to store, socks or more shoes or whatever it is that you want to store, you can. And the beauty of it is, it's out of the way. You can't even see it. That's the plus. Put the bed back down. Boom. It's gone. Also, we have a Congloleum sheet vinyl flooring. It's very durable, long-lasting, stain-resistant. It comes with our own personalized herringbone flooring, and it looks good. Thanks again for tuning in today with the 2021 Salem 26Dbud. I am Odie, and if you need any more information or want to know anything else, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com. Thanks again.